Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hatch. Taillight is held to the body. Two 10mm bolts and a clip that's out here. These also have a Phillips head opening in them. You could use a Phillips head screwdriver, but I'm going to use a 10mm socket and ratchet. It's a little bit easier. Shouldn't be in there very tight. Come right out. Put this bolt aside so I don't lose it. I'm going to move to this side. It's basically there's a clip right here, so it needs to push straight out. There's a couple pins holding it in. I'm going to push from the back. It does sound like it's breaking, but it takes a good amount of force to get it free. I was sliding it off of this pin here that slots into here in the tail lamp, and then it also needs to come off of the two little pins here that locate it here. Once it's out, there's a main connector. I push in the lock, pull it out. The whole taillight assembly can be removed now. Change the reverse light bulb, flip it over, turn this counterclockwise to unlock it, slide it out. Bulb will pull straight out of the socket. This is a 921 bulb. Reinstall it, just push it right back in. I'm going to find the slots in the opening. Turn it clockwise to lock it. And that one is replaced. Turn signal bulb. Turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Slide it out. Pull it straight out. The WY21W. It's an amber bulb. Just plug it right back in. Find the slots. Turn it clockwise. Lock in place. There's an outside marker light. That is right here. Turn it counterclockwise. Oh, the O-ring stayed stuck to the tail lamp assembly. Put that O-ring back over the socket. There's a 194 peanut bulb. Just take it out. Plug the new one back in. Find the slots, slide it in place, turn it clockwise to lock it. There we go. And finally, the brake light bulb on the bottom, counterclockwise, unlocks it, pull it straight out. This is a 7443 bulb, dual filament. It's a running and brake light bulb. Push it back in. Find the openings here. Turn it clockwise. It's locked in place. Reinstall it. Plug it into the main harness. To reinstall it, I'm going to want to line it up and slide it over that pin. And it's also going to slide over these locating pins here. So get it just lined up like that. Push it over. Push it straight in. It'll snap when it's in place. Reinstall the bolts. And do the same for the other one. This procedure will be the same for both sides.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.